إِنَّا أَعْطَيْنَاكَ الْكَوْثَرِ. We've given you the greatest, the most abundant good.
The truth, brothers and sisters, none of us have the ability to know exactly what will happen tomorrow. For Allah reveals in Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وما تدري نفس ماذا تكسب غدا. And no soul knows what it will earn tomorrow. Today you're rich, tomorrow you're poor. Today you live in a nice home, tomorrow you're homeless. Today you married to a wonderful man, tomorrow you're widow. You have great parents today, tomorrow one of them or both of them are gone. You have children today, but tomorrow some of them will go because Allah will take them away, because that's the nature of this life. And whenever you begin to hold on to things in this life, Allah lets you know that nothing is permanent but Him. And so all your life you learn to love things. And as soon as you get real close, Allah snatches away from you. Just to let you always know to remember to be humble, and that you always put your trust in Allah. Not money, not material things, but in Allah.